Welcome to Best GIS tutorial. In today's lecture I would like to show you how to download soil data and how to prepare soil type map in GIS software. So first go to Google and search FAO soil map, and here you can see that. Go to this link and open it in new tab. New tab, here scroll down and click on World Digital Soil Map of the World. Click on that. Here you can see that the new GeoNetwork dialog box is open. Here just scroll down. Here you can see that show the file download chooser. Here you can see there are multiple files which we can download it for free. Here you can see the data for download soil digital soil map of the world Esri shape file format. Now first you just to download this, and which is high resolution PDF format, which is the download is complete. Here you can see that, open it. Now go to folder and minimize that, cross it, go to downloads. Here you can see that, copy it from here, paste it, extract file. Okay, here click on it. I just show you the map. You will see it, the word data of soil map. Here you can see that it take a few seconds. Now zoom out. This is the PDF format which I downloaded from here. I show you here, I downloaded from that one. Now I am just download this one, soil map of the world Esri shape file format. Here click on it. It will take a few minutes. Just wait for that. Now it's downloaded. Then go to folder, downloads, and cut it from here. Just paste it. Extract file. Here you can see that I extract this from zip. This is the soil data, and now open the GIS software. Here now go to add data, go to folder, soil data words, soil map. Here you can see that I extract that one. This is the shape file in the soil data, add that one. Okay, now go to table of content and click on attribute table. Here you can see that these are the type of the soil data, shape of the soil, polygon, and here is the type FAO. If I cross that, close it. Now go to properties of soil to show the soil type and display. Go to symbology, go to categories. Now go to FAO soil type and uncheck this and click on it. Okay, wait for that, it will take a time. Now you can see that. Click on OK. Just here you can see that the word map is labeled with the different soil type. Here if you want to change it with the another type, then again go to properties. Now click on symbology and get unique soil type is a DOM soil. Click on that one and add all value. Now okay, if you want to familiar yourself with this legends or with this abbreviation, you would need to download the PDF file of the soil data, which I already show you, which is that one. Here you can see that if I zoom that region, the legends, you will understand these legends and can familiar or with correlate with that one, which I show you in the table of content. This, so these are the abbreviation or legends of the soil type data. Let's suppose if I show you that is O represent, for representation of the O you can go to the PDF file and here you can search where is the O, and O you have to search here. Now if you want to extract your study area, like I want to extract Pakistan data, Pakistan soil data, I am just open attribute table of that and here go to country and double click on it, that it will be in ascending order. You can see that it is in ascending order. Now go to Pakistan. Here Pakistan is start from here. Now just hold the left click button and scroll down up to the data where Pakistan ends. Here you can see that I select this one, press shift and also select that. Now close the attribute table and go to table of content and right click on it and go to data and export data. Here I can change the name for that, Pakistan. Here you can see that, wait for that, and you can see that I extract this data Pakistan. Now if I uncheck the word data and just remain the Pakistan, now go to properties of Pakistan and go to categories and click on soil type and add all value. Now click on OK. Here you can see that the soil type map of Pakistan is labeled, and if you want to extract further study area inside the country, like your study area is any district or any province or any city, then you can extract it from this Pakistan country by help of clip tool. So if you extract your study area of your soil type, then go to layout view and make layout for that. Click that one and go to drawing tool and select rectangle, draw rectangle here. Select no color for that and OK. Now zoom the map up to some extent which is complete visible. Now you can go to insert tool and add the legend, the map. Next, just click on next up to finish. Here you can see that the legends are added. By this way you can add this north arrow to the map. If I just select this one, click on OK. Now go to the properties of that and click on red. Next, just label it. Next, uncheck this and finish it. Go to properties of it. And increase the size and click to the left and right vertical and apply on it. Here you can see that the coordinates are assigned to the map. If you want to add the background color of that, then go to properties and click on frame. Here you can click on background color and click on OK. Now add the title to the map. Go to insert and click on title. Here you can give a name to the map. I just gave this name to the map, and here you can put it at the center. Now go to here. If you want to give color to that area, here you can insert the scale bar. Just select one of them and OK. By this way you can add all elements to that map. If you have any question in this map, then feel free to contact me and type your question in comment section. I will reply you. Thank you.